What's up guys, it's Jiggy, and today I'm going to be showing off my newest extension, noteclips. One of the main functions of noteclips is being able to copy and paste revisions directly into the note, and timestamps are automatically labeled to be able to be clicked. When you click these, it will go into the timestamp in the timeline so you can easily do revisions without having to alt-tab between your Discord messages or your email. If I want to go to 30 seconds, I can go there. If I want to go to 25 seconds, I just click it and I go there. As you can see, there's a notes button over here, but there's also a menu button. When you open it, has a few other several options besides the usual notes. You can add a timer so you can easily take breaks whenever you deem necessary, or even add a stopwatch. Whenever I time myself when I edit, that's kind of like speedrunning to me, so I actually end up editing faster. Since it's a notes app for video editors, it only makes sense that you can look at videos in the notes. If you click this video icon over here, paste your URL and press save, it'll actually bring up the YouTube video that you want to watch. You can press play and even resize the video to whatever you need it to be. You can even just watch a tutorial while you're editing and go along with the tutorial. Being productive all the time is a little overrated as well, so you can put on a Twitch stream if you really want, and you can watch a Twitch stream directly in your Premiere Pro window. All right, get that out of here. You also have the option to change your background to whichever background that you like. If you want a family photo or even a night sky background, you can have whatever you want. If you can customize the background, it's only fair that you can also add customizability to the notes as well. And of course, if you close your extension or close Premiere, when you open noteclips back up, it will be right there exactly how you left it. You can even have your notes app work in After Effects as well. I hope you like it.